Hello everybody. Today in our math class I have come with ratios to percents. How to convert the given ratios into percentage form. To explain that, I would like to explain you one example given in your textbook. Right? So Rima's mother said to make idlis, you must take 2 parts rice and 1 part urad dal. What percentage of such a mixture would be rice and what percentage would be urad dal? Ratio of rice to urad dal, Rima's mother has explained to make idlis. What is it? Rice to urad dal, that is 2 parts rice and 1 part urad dal. Means the ratio of rice to urad dal is 2:1. That is this. This is how we write ratio. Rice to urad dal 2:1. Now, what is the part of rice then? Total part will be 2 plus 3. 2 part of rice plus 1 part of urad dal, that's equal to 3. That total of all parts, you have to take it as sum of the given two ratios. तो यहाँ पे होता है 3. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? अभी अगर हम parts of fraction of rice or part of rice if you take, then how would you write? This is the ratio, that is 2 upon total 3. So this means 2 upon 3 part is rice, and what is the part of urad dal? That is 1 upon 3. Okay. From the each ratio, how will decide the part? You will decide the part of each thing like this. पहले आप दोनों ratios को add करोगे. 2 plus 1 3. What is the part of rice? 2 upon 3. और urad dal 1 upon 3. Understood? So 2 upon 3 part is rice and 1 upon 3 part is urad dal. Now we have to convert these parts or fractions in percentage. To convert them into percentage, what will you do? 2 by 3 multiplied by 100. 200 divided by 3, उसको divide करो और आपको मिलता है 66 integer 2 by 3 percentage. Write the percentage symbol at the back when you are asked to convert ratio into percentage. Ratios are to be written like this and percentage to be written like this. Up 1 upon 3 multiplied by 100, 100 upon 3 divide 33 integer 1 upon 3 percentage. इस तरह से आपको ratio to percents करना होगा. This is the method to convert ratio into percentage form. Hope you have understood. One more example. If rupees 250 is to be divided amongst Ravi, Raju and Roy. Total 250 rupees, and how many persons are there among which it's going to be distributed? Ravi, Raju, Roy 3. So that what will be the distribution? So that Ravi gets 2 parts, Raju gets 3 parts and Roy gets 5 parts. The ratio of the amount which Ravi is to Raju is to Roy gets is equal to Ravi को 2 part 2:3:5. 2:3:5. So the parts which 3 boys are getting can be written in terms of ratio as 2:3:5. Total ratios or total parts will be 2 plus 3 plus 5. Total of the part is 2 plus 3 plus 5, that's equal to 10. Then the part of Ravi is going to be 2 by 10, part of Raju is going to be 3 by 10 and part of Roy is going to be 5 by 10. You can see amounts received by each. 2 upon 10, 3 upon 10 and 5 upon 10, these are the parts, and total amount you will multiply with the part. 2 by 10 multiplied by 250, 10 gone, 25 2s are 50. 3 upon 10, 0 0 cut, 3 25 is 75 rupees. और 5/10 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 250 गिव्स यू 125 रुपीज़। तो इस तरह से आपको मिल गया अमाउंट, पता चल गया कि हाउ मच अमाउंट डिड रवि, Raju and Roy received. If the total amount is 250 and parts you have calculated out from the given ratio, तो आपको पैसे का पता चल गया कि इतना रवि को मिलता है, इतना राजू को और इतना रॉय को। नाउ इफ़ वी हैव टू गेट इट इन परसेंटेज फॉर्म, पहले तो वी हैव कैलकुलेटेड इन द मनी फॉर्म, नाउ व्हाट विल बी इन परसेंटेज। तो इसी फ्रैक्शन को हम किसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? विल मल्टीप्लाई विथ 100। व्हेन यू वांट टू कैलकुलेट आउट परसेंटेज यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई द गिवन नंबर विद द 100। So 2 upon total, 2 upon 10 multiplied by 100 gives you 20%, 30% and fifth part, that is 50%. So now you have understood how to get the amount from the given ratio and how to get the percentage from the given ratio. In both the cases you have to find out the fraction, what is the part out of the total, then that fraction you will multiply. If you want it in the rupees form or amount form, then you have to multiply with the total amount given, and अगर percentage भी calculate करना है तो आपको multiply करना पड़ेगा compulsory with 100, so you get the percentage. Is that clear? If it is an amount, rupees, percentage, put the percentage sign. And hope this is more than enough to understand how to convert ratios into percentage or value form. Now our next topic is increase or decrease as percentage. Increase or decrease in any matter that has to be converted into percentage. Let's understand this topic with the help of an example. Example 16. Okay, let's begin. A school team won 6 games this year against 4 games won last year. What is the percent increase? This year उन्होंने कितने गेम्स जीते? 6 गेम्स। लेकिन लास्ट ईयर उन्होंने कितने जीते थे? 4 गेम्स, राइट? सो रेशियो इज अमंग 6:4 गेम्स दिस ईयर टू लास्ट ईयर, राइट? अभी आपको इंक्रीज, लास्ट ईयर उन्होंने कितने गेम्स जीते? 4, इस साल 6, तो इंक्रीज कितना हुआ? हाउ मेनी गेम्स डिड दे विन मोर, दैट इज कॉल्ड इंक्रीज। अगर लास्ट ईयर से इस साल कम गेम्स में जीते होते तो डिक्रीज होता। व्हेन इन द करंट ईयर और करंट टाइम पीरियड, इफ यू कंपेयर इट विद द प्रीवियस टाइम पीरियड and if we get more amount then that is called increase. अगर less है तो उसको कहते हैं decrease। तो इसी increase या decrease को percentage में convert करना है। तो पहले तो आप क्या करोगे? You will find out the increase. Why I am telling increase? Because here you can see last year they won 4 games and this year they won 6 games. That means बढ़ोतरी हुई है and that is of 2 games, and that increase you will find out first. The increase in number of wins will be 6 minus 4 equal to 2, and this 2 you will use it in calculating the percentage. तो percentage increase कैसे करोगे? amount of change divided by original amount और base amount multiplied by 100, जो हम percentage calculate करने के लिए करते ही हैं। so increase is 2, base मतलब प्रीवियस ईयर कितने गेम्स थे? 4, तो वो 4, 2/4, बेस ईयर का काउंट जो होता है वही आपको लिखना होता है, मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 100। बेस ईयर किसको कहते हैं? जिसको रिलेट करके हम इंक्रीज़ या डिक्रीज़ कैलकुलेट करते हैं। हम लास्ट ईयर को कंपैरिजन में लेके करंट ईयर को हम देखते हैं, तो लास्ट ईयर होगा हमारा बेस ईयर।